Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be teaching you guys how to make your own picture canvas. I've had a pretty good amount of requests due to the fact that since I do makeup and I have a lot of family over, I do have two of these picture canvases in my room, and people are always asking me how I did it when I tell them that those were actually made by me. So now I'm making a video to show you guys and give you tips, because to be honest you guys, you can't even tell that you made these. I mean, they're not like 100% beautiful, but it's worth it. Like, it's very cheap and it looks really nice. So I am going to start by showing you guys this canvas. This is a 11 by 14, I believe. It's not 11 by 14. 8 by 11. I got this in a pack of 4 from Walmart. I'm gonna look into the prices, and I'll be leaving the prices in the description box below. What you're gonna need is also Mod Podge. This I also got at Walmart. You're gonna need some brushes. Well, you're actually gonna need one brush. I bought this little two-pack. I bought this packet of 2, and I'll be using the smallest one to make this canvas. You're also going to need some acrylic paint. I got this at Walmart as well, and of course your picture. For today's canvas, I'm actually going to focus on my baby. There's a picture of Diesel, since Steve wanted to get some printouts and I made some canvases for him of Lola and Diesel. I decided I'd get one as well. So this picture fits perfect on the canvas, but you're gonna have times where the picture is actually bigger than the canvas, and you're gonna have to cut out a little bit. If you don't have one of those, what are those called? The paper cutters, the ones that you freaking go like that and it cuts it. I don't know what they're called, but a paper cutter, I guess. If you don't have one of those, you're gonna have to be very careful with your scissors. But either way, you guys, like, it's not a big deal si se va un poquito chueca. So first thing is first, I am gonna be using this folder or this envelope where I got the picture. I printed my picture at Walgreens. I'm going to be using this to put the canvas on top and not get anything dirty. So what we're doing first is painting all the borders black. Okay, you guys, this is what I have. I promise you it does not have to be perfect. So I painted all the borders, and now we're gonna wait about 10 minutes for it to dry. So while that's going on, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my brush, because we're not gonna need black paint anymore, and we can actually use this for the Mod Podge. So let's wait 10 minutes and I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so once it's dry, now we're gonna add Mod Podge all over the top of the canvas. So I bought this, like I said, at Walmart, and make sure you guys get the one that says matte. Should say matte down here, because I believe there's a gloss one as well, but we want to use the one that says matte. So I'm gonna pour some of this. I'm gonna pour some of this on my little plastic here para no manchar la mesa. And with my brush, why does it look so dark? And with my brush, I am just gonna put a layer on the top, just like this. So it should look like this. And then I'm gonna get the picture and I'm just gonna stick it right on top. So this is how it's supposed to look. And we're just gonna make it stick. Don't worry, si no lo pegan bien, you guys can always remove the picture and stick it back into the canvas. So this is how it's supposed to look, you guys. So as you guys can see, you see how the picture actually shines. Now we're gonna add a coat of Mod Podge on top of the picture so it can make it matte. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of more Mod Podge on here. Oh shit. Me pasé de lanza. Why? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Right across. Gonna add a layer of Mod Podge. Not so thick, you guys. Just a solid layer. Okay, we're just gonna wait for this to dry and we'll be done. So let me go ahead and have this dried up a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, now that it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this turned out. So as you guys can see, it's not so, we still have some Mod Podge right here that needs to dry a little. But as you guys can see, it's not shiny anymore. And if I wish you'd be able to touch it so you guys can feel that it sounds like a canvas. Let me show you guys up close. Alright you guys, so as you guys can see, it's very easy, nice and simple to create your own canvas. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You guys are more than welcome to become part of my family. And if you already are, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a video. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.